Manda deniz üçün bilsiniz, su üzüşünü bilmesiniz mi buldu ki? Suğu çıksanız özünüz leyla kalsınız ki. Su ve kişi tuzluk ki. Hazır sekirsem burnumga su kirib ketganda shakarib ichib olgandek.
Je n'ai pas changé, je suis toujours ce jeune homme étranger qui te chantait des romances, qui t'inventait des dimanches, qui te faisait voyager. Je n'ai pas changé, je suis toujours ce garçon un peu fou qui te parlait d'Amérique, je n'étais pas assez riche pour t'emmener à Corfou. Et toi non plus, tu n'as pas changé, toujours les mêmes parfums légers, toujours les mêmes petits sourires qui en dit long sans vraiment le dire. Non, toi non plus, tu n'as pas changé. J'avais envie de te protéger, de te garder, de t'appartenir. J'avais envie de te revenir. Je n'ai pas changé, je suis toujours l'apprenti baladeur qui t'écrivait des poèmes qui commençaient par je t'aimais, finissaient par demain. Je n'ai pas changé.
Hayırlı seher emmanlarga, kanda tudunlar, yaxşı tudunlar mı? Desem gaptılar, bugün ikinci günüm. Yeah, made it to the second day. Bugün ben hazır Nice'ninki polis stansda. Bugün bir grup çok tizimli tutib qo'ygan. Bugün Nice'den Monaco'ga berib, bir kun Monaco bo'lman. Ballar yig'ilib hazır. Bir tour guide'imiz var, shu bal bilan. Monaco'ga berib, Monaco'da o'ynab kelamiz. Monaco'ni ko'rib. Monaco bo'lsa, bizlar bilguninglardek dunyodagi ikinci kichik davlat, dunyodagi birinchi kichik davlatni Commentni yozayotganlar, Commentda. Dunyodagi birinchi kichik davlat qaysi davlat? Men bugun bek vaqt qopdim, 10:20da yig'latdik, niyaga men 8:20da qopdim, qopib nasrimni yig'ishtirib baqlashiblar. Naşlılıqmı qımğandım, mən kəynimdeki polisdan gəlsəm, polisdan aldırdılar. Pahalı bakı. Mesela kirib, qahva elib, qahva içsəm, qatlı tetmədi. Bir latte alsam, süt içkəndək, süt içib çıxdım, rəskəm qısam qahva əməsə. Yana bir bolka, bunun bir latte alsam, 6 euro bo'ldi. 6-4 euro bo'ldi. Men lattasi ajoyib lavka. Süt ichayotgandeklar. Lattamiz. Appoq süt ichayotgandeklar. Nice'ninki poyezd stansiya, hozir mening guruhimdagilar bilan, men oldimdagi bo'lsa mening guruhimdagilar. Hozir biz Monacoga mangdik. Biz keldik Monacoga. Hozir poyezdda.
Vatican City. Monaco, Vatican City is the smallest. Monaco, though, 2.2 square kilometers. Okay, so you can fit the entirety of Monaco inside of Central Park in New York City. And still have room for another 2/3 of Monaco. Right, so very small. We'll see all of it. As I just pointed out, the border is right here. We will see the border to the east in this direction, and we will also see the border in the west. So we will see all of it. You just asked me if there's a river down here. Not a river, but the sea is right up here as well. Right, so we will see the sea is very close. And you'll remember this is the entrance to the train station, so it's nestled in here in the mountains. It's a bit of a crevice. We'll see it later. Okay, 38,000 people as well as the population here.
38,000.
So very small population. But on a summer day like today, typically, maybe not this summer, but typically in the summer the population will double during the day. With tourists, people like us who are coming here for the day, and also people who work here. You saw those guys who are just working here right now? They're probably not citizens of Monaco. They're probably Italian, or they're probably
Okay.
They were speaking Italian, right? Most of the people who are working here in sort of the service, restaurants, stores, this type of thing, they're not from Monaco because it's quite expensive to live here. He is married to Charlene Whitstock. Okay, so she is originally from Zimbabwe, but became an Olympic swimmer for South Africa. Okay, so she was here in 2000 on a swimming competition when she met the Prince Albert II. Okay. They started dating officially in 2006. They attended the Winter Olympics in Torino together. Prince Albert, he's also an Olympian himself. He was actually on the bobsleigh Olympic team for Monaco. I don't know how much bobsleighing actually takes place here in Monaco. And I'm sure the fact that he was the prince had something to do with him getting on the team. But in any case, they're both former Olympians. So they go to Torino to the Olympics together, and they're publicly a couple. They came to Canada to the Vancouver Olympics in 2010. And then in 2011, they were married here in Monaco. But Albert, I mean, even if he was single, he's in his 60s now. So he got married quite late. Okay, so he got married in his mid-50s. And this was it was a lot of pressure on him to get married because he needed to have an heir. Okay? So the constitution here in Monaco used to say that if he did not have a legitimate heir in marriage, Monaco would pass back to France. Okay, so Monaco would lose its independence. They've changed the constitution, so it's no longer the case. I think France recognizes now that having Monaco remain independent brings in a lot of tourism here to the south of France as well. Obviously, we traveled there from Greece. We're here visiting Monaco, but we did spend some money in France, so France likes this. But in any case, Albert married quite late, right? There was still all this pressure on him. Even though he actually already had 2 children. So he was a bit of a playboy in his youth. And he had 2 illegitimate children out of wedlock. They had to do paternity tests in the 90s and everything to confirm that he was actually the father, 2 different mothers. But these 2 children did not have a claim to the throne. Understanding? And here in Monte Carlo, you have all the expensive shops right here. All of the boutiques, all the fancy designers. So these are new as well, these new buildings that they've built for the new designer shops. And then above them you have all of these residences as well. So we're going to walk through a little bit this way to the casino. Right here, we're going to walk a little bit over here and I'm going to tell you about it first. And then we're going to have some time for a photo shoot, take lots of photos for you guys. And what they decide to do, the princess here has a really good idea. Why don't we open up a casino called the Monte Carlo? This means Mountain of Charles. So the prince at the time, Charles III, so they named this after him, this little area, this little bit of a rock here. So this area becomes Monte Carlo then. And they open up this casino 1863 because they know that the train line is about to open the following year from Nice, right? 1864. So now people will have a way to get here. At the same time, they also open up this Hotel de Paris, this beautiful white Belle Époque style hotel just on the right here. And then the very fancy Café de Paris, a very nice restaurant right here as well. So now when the people have the train to get here, they have a place to eat, a place to stay, and now somewhere very nice to get. The casino was so successful that within 3 years of opening, by 1866, Monaco had made enough money that they could stop charging their citizens income tax. Right? So this is why a lot of billionaires and very wealthy millionaires want to live here in Monaco, because it's a tax haven, right? So this is why they're willing to spend the 500,000 euros in the bank account. They're willing to pay all of this money for a property, because then once they get here, they don't have to pay any income tax on all of the money that they earn. So that's why this is a bit of a haven for the billionaires, the playground of the billionaires, that's strong. But if it wasn't for this casino, Monaco wouldn't have become the independent sort of playground of the rich that it is today. And really, if those two towns hadn't left Monaco, leaving it so desperate, they wouldn't have been forced to gamble on the casino. So this is a very important piece of the history here, and I think it's what helps to make the city so special. But now we're going to walk a little bit further up. There's some nice spots for photos, and I'm happy to take photos for you guys if you want as well. Two of you.
Dünyada dаңлıq bolğan Monte Carlo kasinonun tarixini hazır anıldыңlar. Bütün resim geçiyor adamlar. Biz bu yerde çıkmayız. Hazırlık yani başka yerlere barımız. Mark bizni başlap teyze yerlere Afrika geldi. Tarixini sizler doğru yandık. Wow, acayip maşallah bakın. Okay. Uyuma maşallah. Qadamda bir dunyoga dаңlıq markalarni uchirtib tursizkan Monacoda.
What is the language here in Monaco? The language officially is French, but it's also Monegasque.
Saat bir olaylardı, biz hozir tamaq yeganmandoq. Tamaq yapılıb. Ondan keyin qag'inni yana ayrılmaz. Bu tour bo'lsa soat 2 tugaydi. 2dan keyin undan keyin qolgan faoliyatlarni uzun qilamiz. Niyetga qaytib ketsak bo'ldi. Chunki poyezd 11gacha soat 11gacha borga, so'ngra 11gacha qolamdoq. Ya bo'lsa o'dil ketamdoq. Qanday qilsak bo'ldi. Palanpaga chiqmayli babi. Voyca. Palanpaga chiqmayli desam, ma'balini bunday qildi kechki palanpaga boshlab adamni. Sumkamning eg'irligi bugun Lönga undan keyin ma'vo so'zish kiyim, undan keyin yana bir apparatdan degandek mayliqi to'qim tuyab ketdi, undan keyin mayqashlaydigan g'oyliqi nimlarni hammasini kelgandim va kishi eg'ir sumkam yüzümde soyup git barda terlep çıkıp kop yaptım. Mayakta bir bazar var ki, birden bir aynı bir öyle alırlar var. Biz hazır tamak yaptık, Allah bilen, şimdi Monaco'nunki Koni şehirge barımız. Biz hazır Koni şehirge qaratmandık. Monaco'ga hayatımları birlik etim kelanlar, herkes ikinci etim kelanlar. Maşında tağlan tepsiga çıkıp düşüp cinovan aldı ki. Ama igizlik çıkandan payısını köygünü buldu. Sizlerge menzili göstereyim. Wow.
Épater leur tablé, marcher ondule. Saint-Jean, ce qu'il croit être nous, et secouvre les pauvres fous de ridicule. Ça gesticule et parle fort, ça motive les ténors de la bêtise. Moi les lazis, les colibets me laisse froid, puisque c'est vrai, je suis un homme.
Bütün anımızçılıkçılık hop yaptık ha. Acayip bir aramçılıktı. Monaco'nu kezvatına rast ketmekten. Gerçi şunçılık çıraylık basımın da şehir. Sıkı berdaşlık beyremdim. Hem de biz Koni şehirden çıkırmız. Kirip
Je me couche mais ne dors pas, pense à mes amours sans joie, si dérisoire, à ce garçon beau comme un dieu, qui sans rien faire a mis le feu lui avouer mon doux secret,
Wow.
mon tendre drame. Car l'objet de tous mes tourments passe le plus clair de son
Miyanın çıraylıqlığa
au lit
til bilen təsvirləb bilməyimə qançılıq çıraylıqlığını. Köp ketken deniz atarıqlı.
de me blâmer, de me juger. Et je
Wow.
précise que c'est bien la nature qui est seule responsable si je suis un homme, comme il dit.
Kaktuslarla düşüp gittim. Ben kaldım kendi grubumuzun ki resimge tatip əyədə. Nimdən də git bağındım markmiyədə şendirip. Wow, o kaktusların bir bekişi. Dekişe çok kaktuslar ki. Ne çıraylıqlı.
You have free gardens here. You don't have to. You can pay to go to the exotic garden, of course, but this is quite a nice garden. Lots of different cacti and different exotic plants.
Wow.
You guys over here sign them.
Vlog'ı tattım ben de hep grupamdan hemen ahır sırkı vatım hemen keşke. Wow. Monaco kep kalsanlar çokum mavu. Bakçığı kilonlar acayip çıraylıkken manzarası. Mayaklı görünlama köp deniz ketken. Til bilen təsvirləb bilməyimə çıraylıqlığını. Çoxum bir Monaco'ya kelib, bir oynab ketdinglar. Öz gözüңlar bilen görüp ma güzel manzarlarını.
Camera all day today. Right? So they've been watching. When the car
Bizning Tristan tour guide'imiz Mark ballan resimga tortadilar. Okay, bizning Monaco turimiz bugun misal oxirlashdi.
Je n'ai pas changé.
Mino eye tushib ala bilan so'zgim
Je
kelyapti.
suis toujours
Wow.
ce jeune homme étranger
Qayerdan
qui te chante
shuna pastga tushsam eshak bog'in bo'larmi?
des dimanches, qui te faisait
Men hozir bolalar bilan xo'shlashib
Je n'ai
o'zim yolg'iz qoldim. Grupimizningki tugidi.
Je suis toujours ce
Mark McCarthy poyizga tushib Nifqa.
qui te parlait
O'zim Monaco'da yolg'iz qoldim hozir.
à ce riche
Biletim bo'g'ashqa men kesat. Kechira kesama bo'ldi. Qancha monsam bo'ldi. Shunga men payga bir ham tepib so'zsam bo'ladi, men issiq qattiq ichdim hozir. Tekshir isib ketdi, ammo bu yerga issiqni men kamera orqali ko'ramaysan, qanchalik issiqligini meniki. Chip bütün bednim tevop ketdi ta. Men ash pastga tushaman. Pastga tushib, shuna ichiga kirgani bo'larmi? Ayrim bir yer o'xshaydi u. Boshqa. Miyahning manzarasini ko'rsatib qo'yay. Chiroyli Monaco, ajoyib chiroyli Monaco. Miyala meni qayani eslatdi desanglar, Italiyani eslatdi. Italiyaninki nima Amalfi Coast tarafga borsanglar, sapli shundoq manzara.
Je suis toujours la pente
Caprio'da bir nimasi bor.
qui t'écrivait
Bir arılı bor, shu Caprio'ga o'xshab ketdi. Bu yerdan tushamaymanki, machatdan tushamaymanki.
Je n'ai pas changé. Je prends toujours le chemin qui me plaît. Un seul chemin,
Hozir tushib oldim bu yerga. Endi birdan turib chiqqan chaqda dadim tortimanda.
celui qu'ensemble on suit. Et toi non plus,
Wow. Nimda peyza ala.
toujours les mêmes paroles,
Ya balla miyek tushkuni bo'ldi kajimo.
les mêmes
O çişkin bolki hakikaten. O bir yeri çömleyim hemen.
Sans vraiment le dire,
Wow.
non toi non plus, tu n'as pas changé. J'avais envie
Bu da peyve. Wow.
de te garder, de t'apprendre.
Aa, bana peyve yatıp aldım cümleyi lan. Wow, maddingizde çömülmesem, çömlep ketmesem bir armanda kalım ha. Beşi peçet. Adam azraq yeg bara ayaqtı. Sumkam qarayırğa adam yok çünkü. Özümge yaqınraq yedim. Nim qılsam. Wow. Qayadım misalic. Okay, misali.
Je n'ai pas changé. Je suis toujours ce jeune homme étranger qui te chantait des romances, qui t'inventait des dimanches, qui te faisait voyager. Je n'ai pas changé. Je suis toujours ce garçon un peu fou qui te parlait d'Amérique, je n'étais pas assez riche pour t'emmener à Corfou. Et toi non plus, tu n'as pas changé. Toujours les mêmes parfums, toujours les mêmes petits sourires qui en dit long sans vraiment le dire. Non, toi non plus, tu n'as pas changé. J'avais envie de te protéger, de te garder, de t'appartenir.
Ben hazır kanğıt çömlep çıktım. Aparatımdan Tokyo'ya de şonlaşqa Monaco vardım ne misal ağa başlamakçı. Hayır hoş.